If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain pink Vans into these lovely, fabulous gold and pink Vans, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I'm going to be embellishing these 2.5 size youth Vans. The request is gold and pink. So what I'm going to do is take some pink gems that I have here. And the closest color I think that I can get to the shoe also is this light pink jelly color. So I'll be using this. Then I have my very favorite gold plated rhinestones. I'm going to be using a 3mm and a 5mm. I'll be using a wax pickup tool to pick up the rhinestones, and I'll have a link available if you would like to purchase one of these. And as far as the glue I'm going to be using, it's E6000 glue. I'll be wiping some areas of the shoe off with alcohol just to make sure I have a nice clean catch, and I'll go ahead and get started. Also, for the areas I'm going to add gold, I'm going to use a gold Sharpie to go over this white area, and that is completely optional. I'll also be adding some shoelace charms. I'll have a link available to where these can be purchased. I'll be adding some shoelace charms as well. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to carefully take this gold Sharpie marker and go along the white area of the shoe very carefully. This is optional, but I just thought it would be best so when I add the gold rhinestones, there won't be any white poking through. You'll just see the tannish, goldish color in the background. I'm taking a 5mm gold plated rhinestone, just adding a little bit of glue at a time, and I'm just kind of gonna go along the line of this area of the shoe. I'm doing the same thing on both sides of the shoe, mainly using 5mm rhinestone and also filling it in with a 3mm as well. Actually, I think that's a 4mm rhinestone. Yes, I'm definitely using 5mm and 4mm rhinestones. Now that I've finished adding the gold to the shoe, I am now adding a 5mm pink, actually a light pink jelly rhinestone. This is a light pink jelly rhinestone. It looks very good when you use it against the same color of the rhinestone. It's kind of like it's transparent. So it goes very, very well with these shoes. Now I'm adding the pink rhinestones to the shoe. These are pink 5mm jelly rhinestone. I only have one size of this color, the 5mm light pink rhinestone. So I'm just going to do my best to fill it in as many spaces as I can. And it looks very pretty because it's so close to the color of the shoe. Now I'm working on the front of the shoe, just adding a little bit of glue at a time. I like to go in a rounded fashion. Some people may go from in a straight line across from left to right. I like to go with the same angle that the toe area is going. So do what best works for you. And I just really think this way works a lot better. Make sure the rhinestones are pretty close and tight so you don't have too much spacing. Now I am working on the back of the shoe. As you can see, I did add a large gem in the back of the shoe. I just thought it would just look cute there. I just wanted to do something different. So I'm just taking the 5mm light pink jelly rhinestones and just going around that gem. And that's a 16 by 28mm acrylic teardrop rhinestone. So I'm just adding more rhinestones to the back of the shoe. Pretty much almost finished. These shoes are for a really good friend of mine. I think it's for like her niece or her daughter's little cousin who just recently had a birthday. So the person likes pink and gold. So that's why I chose this color setup, and I think it came out so pretty. But I'm just gonna do one shoe on camera for the sake of the time for this video. But it's so pretty. I just really like the idea of pink and gold together. They just go together so well. And if you're interested in using these color rhinestones, I will have a link available where you can purchase these rhinestones. So just check the description area and there will be links available. And then I should also have a link available for the charms that I'm using, the shoelace charms. Okay, here are the gold link shoelace charms, and these are very pretty. Now I'm adding the shoelaces to them so I can go ahead and put them inside of the shoe. They're very simple. You just go ahead and put it right through the loop. Make sure everything is nice and even. And this just looks so pretty with the gold rhinestones. My goodness. I just can't believe how lovely these came together. You'll see once I add the shoestrings to them, and I'm actually almost finished, you guys. Here is the final finished result of these pink and gold Vans. These Vans are very glamorous. Like, I really love these. I already like pink. Pretty much any shade of pink is just gorgeous to me.
but the idea of having gold with it just really takes it to a whole nother level. Look at those shoelace charms. Look how beautiful those are and how it just really takes the shoe to a whole nother level. These are definitely in my top 5. I don't even know exactly what all shoes are in my top 5, but these are definitely in my top 5. I didn't think they were going to come out like this, and I really like these. So I think these were for my my friend's niece or little cousin, but I just know that she's gonna love wearing these. She's in grade school, and I like how those big gems are on the back. I don't know, you may think it's too much or just extra and huge, but I just think it just does something for the shoe. I just like for stuff to look different than what anybody else has, you know. That's the challenge too, because I wasn't given a picture of inspiration. I was just told what colors the individual likes. So, you know, just to add my own little twist here. So I think I did it, you know, I think I did my thing here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone on Facebook or someone who may be into something like this. This definitely makes cute gifts for your daughters, your granddaughters, your goddaughters, your nieces, little cousins, little sisters, or whoever, or just for yourself. This makes such a cute thing to wear. Hello to my new subscribers. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you'll be updated and know exactly when I upload a new video. To those of you who decided not to subscribe, but you're just kind of looking through, getting some ideas, thank you for stopping by. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye. Also, be sure to check out my playlist. I have a whole playlist full of shoes that I've added rhinestones and or glitter to. And I also have a playlist for CROCs, if you're into CROCs, and other playlists blinging and embellishing other items as well. Thanks again. Bye-bye.